As the harvest season approaches, every dairy farmer knows corn silage isn't just another crop. It's the foundation of your herd's nutrition for the year. The difference between average and excellent silage can mean the difference between profit and loss, health and illness, or high and low milk yields. So, how do you set yourself up for silage success? It all starts with planning, precision, and execution. Let's bring together science backed strategies and practical tips to help you harvest high quality corn silage that packs nutrition, preserves well, and keeps your livestock thriving. Timing is everything in silage. Harvest too early or too late, and you risk poor fermentation or spoilage. Moisture content drives this success. For bunker silos, aim for 65% to 70% moisture. For upright silos, 60% to 65% moisture. For sealed upright silos, 50% to 60% moisture. And for silage bags, 60% to 70% moisture. Use tools like microwave moisture tests, Coster testers, or commercial devices to measure accurately. Remember, good fermentation equals better feed value and fewer losses. Why does kernel processing matter? Because it boosts starch digestibility, translating directly to more milk or meat per ton of silage. Break kernels into 4 or more pieces, set theoretical length of chop at 3/8 inch to 3/4 inch, and adjust kernel processor rolls to 1 to 4 mm. This ensures dairy cows get more energy from the feed, and you get more return on your investment. Air is the enemy of silage. A well-packed pile ferments better and spoils less. Your goal should be at least 15 lbs of dry matter per cubic foot. Use heavy tractors for packing and keep layer thickness below 6 inches during pile building. The tighter your pack, the less oxygen sneaks in, and that means better preservation and fewer dry matter losses. Research shows that using a proven silage inoculant can increase dry matter recovery by 3%, boost energy content by 2%, and improve palatability and stability. The best part? Inoculants offer a 3.1 return on your investment through improved feed quality and intake. If you've had a dry growing season, take precautions. Nitrates accumulate in the lower stalks of drought-stressed corn. Consider testing for nitrate levels before chopping and avoid feeding high nitrate silage immediately. Fermentation can reduce nitrate levels after 2 to 3 weeks. Better safe than sorry, especially when cattle health is on the line. A successful corn silage harvest doesn't happen by chance. It's the result of smart decisions and timely actions. By dialing in the right harvest timing, kernel processing, moisture targets, packing techniques, and inoculant use, you'll not only improve silage quality, but also unlock more productivity from your herd. Whether you're feeding a small dairy or managing a large dairy operation, these steps are your playbook for nutritional, stable, and profitable silage. So don't just harvest, harvest smarter. Don't just store feed, store nutrition. Don't settle for average. Set yourself up for silage success.